Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are heading to Seiderman. We are in Bali, of course. Seiderman is a town very close to Mount Agung, and I think I may have hit the jackpot with a villa that I have booked for tonight. We're going to be going with my friend Angelina. My friend Digby recommended this. He stayed there last night. He said it's absolutely incredible. If the weather is good, we could potentially have the best view of the erupting volcano in the whole of Bali. Let's go there. How are you? Interesting. Hello, mate. Alright, kind of got a bit of a problem. We're about 3.5 kilometers away from the villa, and there's some sort of ceremony going on, and everyone's got to move their bikes. Otherwise, we ain't getting through. Come on, someone's got to leave. Alright, guys, so we've made it to what is the closest point we can get to the villa. And just the small problem of this is in the way. So this kind gentleman is going to ride us the final 3 kilometers. This is actually crazy, and the view, kind of already seen it, it is mind-blowing. Alright guys, I'm currently loaded up with all of my gear. Welcome to what could potentially be the most sought after view in the world right now. This is Angelina, everybody. She's got a cut on her foot. Angelina's Instagram is in the description. Yo, what's up, guys?
Oh, it's okay. I shouldn't do anything. What should I do?
I don't know. What would I be like if I was a model? What would I do? I feel like my life has hit a high point. I'm eating Dairy Lee Dunkers. Here. What is life? Also got a nice little semi-cold glass of the white vino. My hands are so shaky today. Cheers. Cheers, guys. It's quite funny because these birds weren't doing anything a minute ago. All of a sudden, the volcano's gone very quiet. As in, it's not actually emitting as much ash and smoke, and all of a sudden these birds have reacted by just going crazy. Who knows? We are at the beck and call of Mother Nature. We have no control over what is going on inside the earth right there. I actually read something as well where apparently if this eruption happens in a very big way, it could actually cool the entire planet for a year. I don't know the geography behind that, but mental. What are these birds doing? I want to know. It's kind of going like a reddy colour. Yeah, that's not the best wine bucket I've ever seen. There is this absolutely crazy red hue right now, which is making this look even more gorgeous than it already does. Cannot even begin to even express how lucky I feel to be here right now. It's got the sounds of like, I don't know what, these birds going crazy, this volcano just doing its little thing, and it is a little thing at the moment, but like, gorgeous sunset. It's actually quite chilly here as well, which is very weird for Bali. It's
23 degrees right now. I don't think I've ever experienced it lower than like 27. It's so nice. So nice.